Hello and welcome to Surprise Toy Box. I'm gonna do a speed build of this Lego Christmas set. This is one out of two of the 2017 seasonal sets for winter. I like this one better because it has a little train set. I showed this off in my Brick Friday haul. So here's the back, and then here is the second set. This one just has a large Christmas tree as sort of like the main build, but I think I'm gonna build this one first. I like that these sets have 3 minifigures because in previous years there was only 2. So yeah, let's get this opened. Oh, I'm so bad at these punch boxes. I always damage them. Oops. I already creased the box. So let's pour out the contents. It's 1, 2, 3 bags and an instruction booklet. So let's take a look quickly. So it's just like the cover of the box print, and the back shows the second set. Alright, so let's get these packs opened and then we start building. So let's tidy this up a little bit. Oops. Like dropping things everywhere. And the last pack. Okay, so that is everything in the 3 packs. I'm so glad to be building Lego again and not Mega Bloks. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, so that is the build. Here are all the extra pieces. We got a lot of little 1 stud pieces. I always put those aside and just add it to my bulk Lego. So we have the tree, and then the hot cocoa stand. Put the minifigure over there. The I don't know, cheese or bread stand, and a little picnic bench, the little lamp with a map, and then this train. Oops. The train, which you can pull along, and you can also fit the train conductor here, and then there can be a passenger too, sitting in the back seat. So this is a super cute build. Here's a closer look at the minifigs. The train conductor, I like his little pocket watch. I like this vest that he's wearing. His torso piece is cool. There's some back printing. This little girl has a winter torso piece with a scarf, also with back printing. And then this one is sort of like the barista from the Lego Movie minifig series. Very similar, but yeah, he has a little like coffee or hot chocolate on his overalls, or his apron actually. And some closer looks at these parts. So you got the map, On the lamppost, I like this clear like headpiece. And then these cute stalls. The Christmas market, you get mugs, the little cookie. So yeah, this was a lot easier to build. It took me less than 20 minutes to get all this done. The instructions were easy to read. You know, I'm so glad I'm done with Mega Bloks. So this was a super fun build. This was $11.99 in Canada, but I got it on Brick Friday for 30% off. I hope you and your family have a great Christmas. Happy holidays. Remember to leave a comment, a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!